Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by pausing automatic sync so you control which save wins. First, close the game and copy the local save folder to a backup location. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once done, open Steam, right-click the game, choose Properties, and toggle off Steam Cloud Synchronization. Make sure Steam itself is updated and logged into the correct account. If multiple accounts exist, verify you're on the one that owns the saves. This sets the safe baseline for manual conflict resolution. Now you compare saves to decide which copy to keep. Open the backup and the live local folder, then check timestamps and file sizes so you know which is most recent or complete. If the save is readable text or has a recognizable header, open it in an editor to confirm character data or progress. For binary saves, use any game-specific tool or mod utility to validate. After reviewing, select the save you trust, usually the newest playable file, and rename it clearly so you know which will be uploaded. Finish by restoring the chosen save and forcing Steam to accept it. Copy your vetted backup into the game's local save folder, preserving a secondary backup elsewhere. Re-enable Steam Cloud in the game's properties, then launch the game. Steam will detect the local file and usually upload it to the cloud. Make sure you see an upload confirmation. If sync still fails, clear Steam's download cache, sign out and back in, or use the Cloud Conflict dialog to explicitly choose the local file. That typically resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.